In this video, I'm going to show you how to get descriptive statistics for your data, but with Google Sheets. And this is univariate descriptive statistics, so things like the mean, median, and mode, or standard deviation, things like that. So here is your data, and you want to make sure you have your add-in on. And if you don't have this yet, see my other video. And then what you want to do is go to descriptive statistics and go to input range here. Click there and then go back and find the variable you want to work with. So I want to work with satisfaction with psych class. This is my scale variable. Remember, only do this for a scale variable. I'm going to click here and then click back over here and it'll change for me. I want to click labels in the first row because we have a variable name here. That's what it means. It means the first line here is not an observation, it is the label of the variable. And then I'm going to go to output range. I'm going to click somewhere over here where there's no data and then click back over here and see it pops up G2. And then I want to keep summary statistics checked. I don't want the confidence interval because you don't know what that means yet. And I don't need this stuff either. So just keep the summary statistics checked. Press OK. And voila. You just want to make this bigger. And you see all these statistics. So we have the mean, you know what that is. Standard error, you don't know what that means yet. You know what the median means, the mode. This is the sample standard deviation. It's not the population one. We have the sample variance. You don't know what kurtosis is. You should know a little bit about skewness, and so this is positive. So there's a positive skew, so it's skewed to the right. You know what range is, minimum, maximum. The sum is just all the numbers added together, and then count is your sample size. So you can kind of see that easily. There's 10 here. This is probably more useful if you had a lot of data. So that's how to do it with the add-on. I'm going to show you how to do it without the add-on as well. You can do it either way. So say you don't want to use the add-on. First, I'm just going to make a label so I know what's what. So just that's the average. And then I'm going to actually find the average. So you're going to put an equal sign. You can do that here or up here in the formula bar. The average, and I'm going to type out average. And then I'm going to parentheses. And then I'm going to select the variable that I want. And then it says DD because that's the variable I want to summarize. And close the parentheses and press enter. And you see here we have the mean or the average, which is what we had here. Okay, I'm also going to show you the standard deviation, how to get it without the toolpack. Okay, so I'm just making a label so I know what it is later on. And then over here in the empty cell, I'm going to push equals. And I'm going to start typing it out. So it kind of pops up for you. See that it says standard deviation. This one's the sample one. And this one's the population one. But you hardly ever do the population one unless you have everyone you really want to know about. And that like never really happens in psychology. I guess it could, but normally we have a smaller sample of the people we want to know about. Usually we want to know about everyone in the world, but we can't sample everyone in the world. Let's press enter, and there we go. We get the same answer we got over here. And I'll do one more. I'll do the sample size. and gonna put equals. I'm gonna put count. Just do the same thing we did for the other ones. And we're gonna press enter. So there you go. I think you can also get more functions up here, so you can do it this way as well. See this little summation sign? So say you want to get the average again, we just click there and click the variable that we want to work with and press enter. So you can do it that way too, and you can find more functions here too. Alright, and oh, there's a bunch. So I guess you can search them if you would like.